we taped this up so nothing falls down during install. Just normal, I guess, protocol for doing this. So
that's what you don't do.
all right, welcome back to Roddy's Rides. If you didn't watch our last video, click somewhere up here. We unboxed the full Morana racing kit for the 3.7 V6 Mustang. It adapts the M122 supercharger off the 2014 GT500 onto this ugly octopus looking motor, but it won't be ugly after today, hopefully. In the last video, after going back and looking at it, I realized they ended up doing a custom pulley for me, because if you think about it, this motor is a lot smaller than the 5.8, 5.2, I forgot what's in the GT500. If you think about it, it would be running way too much boost for my application. So they made us a custom 3.5-inch pulley. So we're gonna get started. First thing we're gonna do is take off this hood. They say on the website that you could fit everything under the stock hood with slight modification, but if you look right here, I have a super slow 14 Camaro hood vent that I've already put on, and I'm worried about it bumping into it. So we're just gonna take off the hood, get all this done, and we'll go from there. So to be continued.
Oh no!
Take the phone out. We're kind of struggling trying to get the windshield wiper thing, so we're gonna get this connected real quick. And like I said, you don't have to go this route, but it's cool points and I kind of want to do it, so it kind of sucks. Oh wow, alright, well I wasn't expecting. So another thing is so if we're gonna, for this kit, so you need a pulley, and then the other thing he does not include, well I should say Tom, who does not include in this kit, is your throttle body plug and play extension. So the normal throttle body sits right here. With the supercharger, it will be somewhere in this ballpark. So this wire needs to be extended. But I'm thinking what we're gonna do is, I'm balling on a budget, so I think I'm just gonna pull back this wire protector, I forgot what it's called, and we're just gonna extend this wire over, and hopefully our wiring skills will be good enough. I think so. Ooh, you saw it, Sean? You taking notes?
What are you doing?
Huh?
You need this clips?
Yeah, this is what holds the injector. Oh! Hey, oh, something's burning down there. Well, I don't know why. I would have just, good thing it evaporates quick, right? Hey, wait, whoa. I could have, all right, you're fired. You stay there. Ow, that kind of hurt. That's my camera guy. Oh yeah. Hope you like yellow Gatorade.
Just let it sit down, yeah.
Alright. Now what we're gonna do is hold one in so it's almost like it won't drink. Oh, tripped on a minute. Holy cow. I'm just kidding. 1, 2. What do you? Oh shit, you're all right. Well. Next issue. Find the clip we lost.
No, there's 6 here. I was just yanking you.
I just counted. Oh, big stupid. I just counted 5.
So, yeah. So just, I'm going to put a little bit on here in your fingers and just rub it around.
It's my first rodeo.
Hold on. So can you see the groove around it?
Yeah.
It's got to fit in the groove.
You think this is correct?
Well, hold on. There's something it doesn't like about. So see, it snaps on right there. It's just when you turn this, it hits, I guess. There we go.
Okay, so trial and error.
I think it's a little better to put it on with the plug on the opposite side, get it snapped on, and then you just kind of. So then, yeah, you know, make sure it's got to be in the groove. Yep. Okay. And then just try to hold the clip still. Yep.
Like that?
Yep.
Oh. Well.
I think as time goes on, they're able to make them smaller.
Ooh. Kind of nuts. Wow.
I like how that clips on like that, just a little bit better.
Yeah, that one went good.
Make sure you put some of that oil on these.
I was just. All right.
Oh, that was a solid power nap.
The camera crew's up.
Bring it up.
So I'm assuming longer bolts go in these.
No. Here's your other long one. That's what you don't do.
Well.
Hey!
Huh.
Do me a favor and don't throw it back in there.
There you go. This is a small one, and small ones we're putting in these, right?
Yep, there should be one more large one. Okay.
All right. Well, what was that spec torque number on that? 2 uggas?
22 pounds.
So the front overhangs. That was the main thing that we took from. This is why Sean is here to help. Oh.
It's gotta come off.
What?
We didn't pull the paper towels out of the intake.
God. With a snap, or we'll do a clap. With a clap of the fingers, we'll get the paper out. Okay, now that we have hand tightened all the way around, we gave it like an ugga or two. This is where we're gonna stop for today. The Supercharger is fully mounted on. Very excited, couldn't be happier. I bought this off eBay used, and it looks like I'm gonna have to buy a new bypass activator. So that's another thing added to the parts list, but yes. Alright, if you made it this far in the video, I appreciate you. This will conclude part 1 of the M122 Supercharger kit onto the 3.7 V6 Mustang. Please like, comment, subscribe down below. We will be posting part 2 here soon of the install of the Supercharger kit. For all the V8 owners who just watched and watched the whole video, thank you. I know you're out there. Have a good day.